devastated and heartbroken. Apple CEO Tim Cook on Kobe's demise. Apple CEO Tim Cook tweeted, "Devastated and heartbroken by the passing of Kobe Bryant. I admired his athletic prowess from afar and his humanity close up. He was an original." The NBA legend and his 13-year-old daughter Gianna were among the 9 people who died in a helicopter crash on Sunday. The helicopter crashed into a hillside in Calabasas, California. 3,000 government email IDs breached, including IDs of ISRO. Nuclear scientists report at least 3,000 government email IDs with the gov.in extension, including entities like BARC, ISRO, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, have been found to be compromised. According to the Quint, the passwords of the email IDs have reportedly been leaked in plain text across multiple databases of leaked emails on the deep web and dark web. Harvard professor Clayton, who coined the term disruptive innovation, dies at 67. Clayton Christensen, a longtime Harvard Business School professor who authored the best-selling business book, The Innovator's Dilemma, passed away age 67 in Boston. Known for Christensen's theory, he coined the buzzword disruptive innovation. The theory states that newer ideas in business and technology could create new markets and disrupt older ones, displacing established market leaders. Robot used by doctors to treat first known coronavirus patient in U.S. Doctors are using a robot to treat the first person known to have been admitted to hospital in the U.S. with a new strain of coronavirus. Equipped with a stethoscope, the robot is helping doctors take the man's vitals and communicate with him through a screen. The man was in stable condition and remains in isolation, doctors said.